Hey, welcome to the video, guys. I recently got a Greenworks pressure washer from Costco for just 150 bucks. And at that price, I figured I can't go too wrong. Now here's a little backstory. I traded my house for a condo a while back, and the only thing I really miss is being able to wash my cars. Now I take them to a local drive-thru, but the results are hit and miss, and as you can see on my Jeep, well, it could have done a better job. As for the pressure washer, it's electric and it comes with everything you need to get started except for soap. It has the nozzles, high pressure hose, a wand, a trigger, and it even comes with a foam cannon. More on that a little bit later. I put this thing together in about 20 minutes. You can probably do it in half that time. I've never owned a pressure washer before, so I've got nothing to compare it to. Take this for whatever it's worth. The design seems pretty good, and even the plastic parts feel pretty rugged. And that said, I loaded it up in the car, headed over to my father-in-law's house to try it out. And this Audi's our weekend car, also known as the family hauler, and for a change, it's actually dirtier than the Jeep. I don't think it's ever been hand washed, at least in all the time I've owned it. But I'm pretty sure my wife has never hand washed a car in her life. She's a good sport. You know, after about 5 minutes, she handed me the wand and walked off, and I guess that was the end of the experiment. A quick rinse to get all the loose stuff off the car, followed by cleaning the wheels and tires. I did a quick rinse after agitating them for a little bit, and then hit it with the foam cannon. The foam cannon is actually pretty good. I was impressed by that. I'm just using really cheap soap. I bought it in a discount store years ago. Next time I'll get better quality products. A quick rinse after letting the foam dwell for a bit, and then a contact wash. I'm going really fast here because I just want good enough for now. I know we're getting some bad weather in the next day or two. I follow that up with another rinse, and already I can see that the car looks much better than it has in a while. So there you have it. For 150 bucks, this pressure washer is quiet and pretty impressive.